forest is on fire.
The next day.
I need to stop the flames fast. Let's put this fire out. Yahoo! What? It's still burning. I need another fire truck. I have to hurry before the fire spreads to the other trees.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Yahoo! Yeah, the fire is out. What? It's burning again. Not enough water. I need a continuous water supply.
How to build the water pump truck. 1. Build the water wheel uni. I'll build the base legs first. Now add the wall. Rubber bands. Sprocket wheel. Now I'll make the water wheel from this chain and these buckets. Two, build the water outlet. Plastic tube. Add the wheels. Add the motor. Add the battery box. Water pump fire truck is done. Testing. Let's see if this pump can move all the water into the empty bowl.
This is my last chance. I'll end this fire for good. Yay! What a relief. The forest is finally safe again.
Fabric Dyeing Workshop.
Today our workshop will test these two dyeing machines to see who's the dyeing champion. First up, the dip dyeing machine, a classic one that works by dipping fabric straight into the bath. And the turbo dyeing machine, new tech with a rotary drum for fast, even dyeing. Are you ready, everyone? Let's begin.
The fabrics for dyeing have arrived.
Ho-ho! Red dye.
Let's run the machine. Wow, so strong. It's done.
This fabric turned out patchy in color and torn with holes.
So wrecked.
Totally 1 star.
Alright, turbo dyeing machine is up next.
Aha! Time to fire up turbo dyer. I'll put the fabric into the drum and pour the red dye into the dispenser. Look, the water's been pumped into the dyeing drum. The drum spins non-stop. It will help the fabric soak color evenly.
Whoa!
Let's flush the water out. Now, it will switch to heating mode. High pressure and heat will dry the fabric fast and keep the colors lasting longer.
Wow, the fabric is quite hot and beautiful.
The fabric color from our machine is so deep and sharp.
So the champion today is the turbo dyeing machine. Now we'll try the special dyeing method, tie-dye. I've got a tied fabric bundle here. Let's try it.
Whoa!
Wow, looks fantastic. This machine is the best.
Time to fulfill our childhood dreams. Honey, let's travel the world together and complete all our wishes. First, breakfast at the Arc de Triomphe. The weather is so nice, babe. We should have come here sooner. What next? Feed birds at the Eiffel Tower. Let's go, honey. Eiffel Tower, babe!
Champ de Mars Park.
Eat your food, birdies.
Take a picture of me with Eiffel Tower, honey.
All right, let's smile, babe.
Pigeons were your favorite, right, Anna? All right, let's move to the next wish. Visit London Tower Bridge.
London.
It's too crowded here. Let's take the picture, then move on. Now, let's go to the America.
Statue of Liberty, NYC.
We're here. Not a real star, but still fine.
Hurry, Venom is over there.
Huh?
Venom. Tom Hardy.
I love Tom Hardy.
Lucky me, a famous actor. Mr. Venom, can I get a photo with you?
Always ready, sir.
Our next wish, counting the steps on the Great Wall.
Yesterday afternoon, a robbery occurred at City Bank. Thieves took all the money kept in the safe.
Oh no! I need my own coin back. I can keep my money safe now. That's a lot of money. put more coin. Yeah, look at that. I wanna add more. And more. All my money is safe.
That night,
You fool! Andy!
Wow!
This money is mine!
I'm rich now.